kitchen yum! And it's a new year. And at Christmas, our mommy gave us this present, which is a chocolate pen. We are so excited to use it, and yes, we will unbox it and we will use it in this video. So let's go. In this box there is warming tray with lid, 4 pouches of melting wafers, 2 mold trays, pen tip, stirring stick, charging cable, and instructions. And it comes with 40 designs. It also comes with 4 delicious colors. And it also features bloom mold, which is like a doll, I think. What are we waiting for? We gotta get this open. Oh, and don't forget, there's no batteries included, so the batteries you'll be needing is AAA batteries. So let's get opening. There's a lot of parts. Whoa! There's the chocolate pen. This chocolate pen is big and really big. This must be, I think, the warming tray with a lid, I think. So cool. Ooh, and it's purple just like my nails. I think you press this button to suck it up. Or squeeze it and squeeze it out. We got chocolate. So we got pink, blue, white, and of course brown. We also got our molds here. They're so cute. And we're gonna melt it. So that's what I thought. This is gonna be so much fun. Whoa. There's the blue logo. There's a unicorn. So many cute things. We got our instructions. We got the cable. There's a cat with a heart. There's a mouse holding cheese. Wow, there's a popsicle, there's cherries, there's a turtle. There's a lot. So we just put the batteries in, and to put it in, you need an adult to help you. So take the screwdriver and open it, and this should come off, and put your batteries in. But also, we just found on the instructions that if you put this up, it means the film mode. If you put this up here, you could fill it with chocolate. And if you put it in the middle, it stops. And if you put it down like this, you could draw with it. So you can make your chocolate art. Press this to draw. Yep. It makes a weird sound, kind of like a bee in cartoons. And release it to stop it. For this, we gotta put the cable in, and you put the cables right in here for this to heat up, I think. And then you could put your chocolate in. And then we also have a stirring stick to mix the chocolate if it has any clumps. And then I think we should get started because I'm so excited. I already started opening the cable. And then we gotta plug this in here. So we got everything set up. You got to put the smaller end of the cable right in here, and you would need a USB block. Then plug the USB block into an outlet. Let's take this off. I think this is for stirring. And when it flashes green right here, that means it's ready to use. So we're back. And we have melted our chocolate. You could just take your chocolate pouches and put it in some hot water until it melts. But what we did, we have a Wilton chocolate melting pot. So we put in our chocolate in and it melted. And now we'll show you our colors of chocolate. These are the colors from the kit. And here are our colors. And the colors we got is green, orange, yellow, and brown. Even though we have brown in here, even though they're the same color. Yeah, we think we might need a little more brown because we might do outlining. I don't know. Let's just see. We also printed out some pictures. And we are just gonna copy it on some parchment paper. So first, you see this thing. You need to bring it all the way down before you draw. So what you do is you use this and you pull it down and it should go down. First you gotta press it and then it should go down by itself. Now we take off the lid. Choose your first color, and it's usually best to take your first color and put it on all the ones that you want to do, or else you have to clean it over and over again for the next color. I'm gonna do the white first, so I'm gonna choose pink. I'm gonna choose yellow so I could do the inside of the flower. So we pull this up. And you also gotta put it at the deep end of the chocolate so it will work. And when you want to draw, make sure you put on the tip. And now, let me do it. So pull it down and squeeze. It's working. So it actually is really hard and we really have to work quick. So we need help from our parents. And it always gets clogged because it's dry. So we're gonna try again and see if it could work better. It's clogged. It's not coming up. It's a flower, so cute. I made a chocolate, just a brown penguin, and I made a mustache. Overfill! Overfill! There's still hope. So this is down. Wait, what if it's down, it might squeeze out. Let's just hope. I hope. Oh, okay. There's a little bit. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's a scary noise. Oh, wait, it's out. Okay. So we're back, and we mostly did all our chocolate off camera, but now let's show you. So Victoria, what did you make? A heart, a BFF that's a little ruined, a penguin, a starfish. I don't know. I think that was a ghost, but it didn't work out too well. This was the ghost that didn't work out too well. Oh, okay. Wait, so she had this person that she made, but it broke. It's a balloon doll. Oh, you have made a whale too. This is a whale. At first, I just scattered some things around, but then it actually turned out to be a whale. Okay, I'll show you guys what's mine. So here was my first try making my name, Val. But then I tried this. It was a little bit better. Then I also did a cactus, a yellow ghost. I did this big flower. I had a person but it broke on the floor. I made a baby, a bloom baby, a BFF, the bloom sign, and a mustache. And that's what we made. I thought it was a little challenging, and this is supposed to be for kids, and I thought I'm a kid, so it's pretty tough. And what did you think about it, Victoria? It's hard because it always dries up the chocolate. Yep. Inside of the chocolate pan, so it gets all like stuck up in there. Yeah, it gets plugged. And then when you want like a color, I wish all of the like chocolate would come out for each color, but every time you have to like clean the inside. And it'd be better if there's like something heating inside here to keep the chocolate warm. So this is an experiment video and also like a kind of review video. At first I thought this would be very fun, but it made me kind of frustrated and it made it really hard. So I thought this a little okay. What did you think? It's okay, but like not the best. That's the end of the video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye! And also, don't forget to share. So, bye! Bye, guys! Have a nice new year!